Okay, what's up guys? I'm doing a little work on my Optic setup today. Let me talk about why I have this specific setup. I started off with just this red dot, wanted to get some more magnification because I got a 16-inch barrel here. So I ended up getting the SIG 1:6, and because this is my only rifle, I want to have some sort of aiming solution for close quarters, for night vision, and for longer engagements. So what I did was I found this piggyback mount. I just googled scope ring Picatinny mount, and this came up on Amazon for probably like 20 bucks, and it was kind of the only thing I could find on the market besides a LaRue mount that was maybe 95, somewhere between 80 and 90 bucks, and I was not cool with that. Then I thought, so I got this guy, so I got this Chinese mount. I thought about keeping everything back here because it keeps the weight further into the center. If I can cut down the weight by eliminating this plate here and maybe even a bottom ring, I would put it up. I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to see. Well, we're going to see. That's what the point of this video is. Modstrom, which is just another Chinese Amazon company, came out with another mount, and it was like maybe $20, and I'm going to give it a try. Mount to front. I think it's time to go there because I want to have access to this turret, and I think I could shave some weight so that just that, I mean, maybe 4 inches of leverage is not going to do a whole lot with something as light as this. And of course the first thing I do is strip one of these shitty Chinese screws, and so I end up having to drill out one of them. So one thing I forgot to mention was the Modstrom mount attaches directly to the red dot. It's got a footprint for any T2 style optic, and it doesn't require a Picatinny mount like this other one that I had. It's not a good idea to save money on gear and equipment, but sometimes like shit like L cans and stuff are just outside of my possible price range. Like a Night Force ATAC or 1:8 would be awesome. Be awesome. But I just don't have the funds. I don't even have the funds to spend 90 bucks on a red dot mount. So this is what I'm getting. And I'm not mad about this shit. One bit. I think honestly, the fact that companies are working hard to fulfill the American firearms market is a plus in my book. Okay. Oh, you. Okay, so definitely shedding weight. So this is what was attaching, and now it's just this plate. I'm gonna Loctite everything. Get as level as I can. Go from there. So my level's not going to work because I noticed the top part of the red dot there is slanted forward, but it got me what do you call that? Pitch and yaw. It got me left to right level, so that's good. There it is. Still gotta get used to it. It's a little further away, clearly, so it leaves you like you have to index a bit more consistently, which is good, I guess. I mean, the dot comes up, shows right up in my eye line, whatever. I can tell it's a little bit lower. I gotta play with it with night vision, see how I like it. I feel like I will. feel like it's gonna work pretty effectively with night vision. And you know, I should have weighed it before and after. It does feel lighter. So, and it looks a little ridiculous having a tube on top of a tube. Like something like an RMR would be obviously a lot better. But man, I'm balling on a budget. Like, right? This is I've had this red dot since probably 2018, maybe 2018. It's the one I bought for this rifle. Put it on the rifle and been using it ever since. If you keep the kill flash on there, it doesn't bother me. Although it's much more predominant further away. I'll have to test in the field and see how I like it. I might take it off if it gets annoying enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. Real quick before I go, I wanted to tell you guys about my store, Shooter's Preference. It was mainly on Etsy, and now I switched over to my own website. The link will be in the description. I got the shirt you're seeing here. I have slings. I have a couple other pieces of kit. So go check it out. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all those things. We'll catch you in the next one.